All right, Ben. Just got everything wrapped up. Car's still bone, ice cold. Well, let me rephrase that. It's ambient temperature, which is about 90 degrees. It's hot outside, but yeah, the car hasn't started today. It was only that one valve that was out of spec by a good amount, but it's in spec now. Let's see how she sounds. We'll wait for the idle to come down, but as of right now, there's no more ticking at all. Very quiet. Oh, very interesting situation here, but see this idle come down a little bit. Maybe give it a little blip. One more. Not sure if that's how high the idle usually sits. I think it's still a little high. Another little blip. Anyways, car's quiet.